In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change card view in Smartsheet. If you're used to working in the standard grid layout in Smartsheet, but want a more visual way to manage your tasks or projects, card view is a great option. It lets you see your work as cards, similar to a kanban board, which can be especially helpful for tracking progress or organizing items by status. First, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to change the view. By default, most sheets will open in grid view, which looks like a typical spreadsheet with rows and columns. At the top of your sheet, near the upper left area of the toolbar, you'll see a label indicating the current view. It might say grid view, Gantt view, card view, or something similar, depending on how you last left it. What you want to do is click on that label that shows the default view. This is a small drop-down control, and it's the key to switching between the different ways you can display your sheet. When you click on it, a menu will appear with the available view options for that sheet. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Card. Go ahead and click on Card. As soon as you do, Smartsheet will switch from the grid layout to card view. You'll now see your data represented as cards instead of rows. Each card corresponds to a row from your grid, and fields from your columns will appear on the card, depending on how your sheet is configured. Typically, cards are grouped into lanes, such as by status, phase, or any column that's been set up as the primary grouping. Once you're in card view, you can drag and drop cards between lanes to update their values, which is really handy for visual project tracking. Any changes you make here are reflected back in grid view automatically, since it's all the same underlying data. If at any point you want to return to the grid, you just repeat the same process. Click the View selector at the top of the sheet and choose Grid from the drop-down. That way, you can easily move back and forth between a spreadsheet-style view and a visual card layout, depending on what you need in the moment. And that's all there is to it. By simply clicking the default view drop-down and selecting Card, you can quickly switch to Card View in Smartsheet for a more visual way of managing your work.